How's Fabri Maru ever Pauta? Good Festival Naki, Satnavi, Lining Lights from Galuna, Harau Tayamna Pangto Play. Amasung Humpumapan Super Information and Public Relations Day Thorum Pangto Cray. Kurumzari. Mayang tabir mayang puna maputaram na oksari hausi fabagi marueba pau sandok na pizari. Kuki sin mizo faruki laurok mamang da pangchopa kwaidigi sauba kumhai. Good Festival nat ki sanabi lining lights hun galwena na harau tayam na pangchokle. Mapung weba tharam state good celebration committee na sinduna ahanba Manipur Rifles ki background na pangchokle. Tharamasi da Manipur ge Governor Dr. Nazma Heptula, Deputy Chief Minister Yimnam Joy Kumar, Consumer Affairs Minister Karam Syam, PSE Minister L. Diko, Agriculture Minister V. Hankalyan, Manipur Chief Secretary R. Rasmi Su Saruk Yaki. Sahi Asigi, Kutpana Leo, Kamsintang Zona Oiri, Governor Dr. Nazma Heptulana, Landing Lyson Kenarabasu, Lamdamas the Kundaminari Bafurub Singh, Amatani, Furuk Kayagi, Manatava Culture Kayan Lighting Neba, Kut Kumaina, Sakutpa, Nunga Yafava, Manipur Amapura Pagal Winena. Aikoigi Ladiba Zagoi Isai Amadi Nat Kisanabi Singh Tum Koina Hena Masak Tokpa Odasano Haiki.
All the people in Manipur should think not only that this country we belong to this big nation, this beautiful state is ours, and we have to share the bounty of which God has given to us and thank Him for it. I was happy for the prayers you made because it's very important to remember the Creator while we enjoy the bounty of the nature which has given to us. I'm not going to make a long speech because I'm sure you are waiting for more cultural activities for song and music and dance. And for 2 days you're going to enjoy it. I wish you all the best with one prayer and one appeal. Let Manipur grow, develop further together with everybody's help. Yet continue to remember our culture, continue to enjoy our traditional culture, art, craft and dresses.
Deputy Chief Minister Yimnam Joy Kumar na Manadaba Wakalol Amadi Nungainadaba Ladiba Singh Punna Faminaduna Warasin Puraklaga Hien Nungaiba Masak Topa Lamdam Ama Wahelasi Haiki.
We have had the history of having lots of conflict with the militants, not only with militants but also among us. Let this good festival remind us that we have to live together, we have to work together and sort out all our problems and conflicts peacefully. Only then the state will prosper, and only then the people of the state will prosper and will shine. From my side, I don't want to take too much time because I know all of you are more anxious or are more would be wanting to see all these cultural dances, etc. So, lastly, once again, let me wish you happy good, and let us pray that with this good, it brings a better future, a better and a more peaceful and a more prosperous state.
Good Festival gi sarukama oina tongan ba furuki nat ki oiba jagoi isai kaya supang chokle numidangi thoramda Chief Minister Nongthombam Birena Chief Guest oiduna Festival asigi marueba thoram sahi asigi Miss Good khanbagi thoram pangchokani. Technopol District Sabangkut Committee na sinduna ahanba Technopol District Sabangkut thoram District Headquarter Technopol da pangchokhi thoram aduda Commerce and Industry Minister T.S. Beswazid ADC Chandel ki Chairman Lokho Sai Zau Khudeng Thabi Khulgi Chief Paso Kom DC Technopol KS Raghumani amasung Technopol Chief Thangkholen Mati Susaruk Yaki Technopol da Khundari ba tongan furuki nat ki jagoi isai singsu utki. Sandel district ki oinasu district good committee Sandel na sinduna sugnu da laiba ZYO lampakta pangthoki thoramajuda Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Letpa Haukip Koki Sip Association Sandel gi President Sokomang Haukip MLA Subhas Chandra K Robindra K Dingo N Indrajit Saitabata L Rameso T Robindra Amadi A Laisio Kaisingsu Sarup Yaki Minister Letpa Haukip na culture yaudana furup amagi masak takpa oithok loi maram aduna aikhoi isa isagi culture matam pumbada ngaktuna thamnaba honagadabani furup kayana khundariba lamdam masida aikhoi masel amana amabu ikai khumnaba utuna nungsi sanana leminanaba honaminasi haiki Humpumapan Suba Information and Public Relations Day Thoram DIPR Complex Moirang Khumda Pangthokre Department of Information and Public Relations Sindana Pangthokiba Thoramadu IPR ki Minister T.S. Biswajit, Commissioner K. Radha Kumar, Department of Asigi Director Megasandra Kongbam Deputy Director Administration C.I. Noyonsu Sarukyaki. Tharam ki Sarukama Oina Government ki Esimen Singh Utpa Numit Humni Chathagadaba DIPR Festival Chief Guest na Hogdoki. Minister T.S. Biswajina Government Asina Paumu Singhi Yaipa Thorang Kaya Paikanaba Thorang Tauri. Press Park ama thamduna media singi apunba punpham ama onanabasu khanari kaisampata sariba DIPR gi anoba officer si athuba matamda loisinaba kanna honari Police Housing Corporation na paiba thabak asi makoina sukibagi paisa lahoraga arema sing handok lohaiba khangan kreg nong na maram oduna lambi thong yauna sakot tharangi thabak paikhatpada thintaramba adu haujik nong hanglak labanina achoba ahong ama purak thabak oina miyam utkani Miyamgi kudong sadabak kaya su government na asina ui government ki kudong sadaba su khangmin na basangi government ama salai ba haibasi aswai ba laigani maduba criticize topada kari su akai ba laite adubu positive oiba suggestion ga loina na pibi rabadi hena phaba oigani haiki
प्रजा गवर्नमेंट सिना करी development highway da lambi sa tuki bade khatre ai su sa join tuina adu highway se ko ne ta ta lo ste ba chalaga same ya da bi port khra su lei ba any time adu no way na ko da ka le ma da ma sha available ko bi port lei ta se si so ko ne ne ba ka lei ha ne ha ne ko ya pa ko chen lo ni do ni la yo pa ba ma da bi su ma ai no si lei ba do si ma ri ne na thing dong se ba da pai Bhartiya Infra Private Limited na amana pai ne adu si jam kan na apai ma de ko hat ko ko bol sing ne de tam tam na ko sing ka pa hori ne by March apai end of this year financial year de ko 50% of the participation to go ne ha we possible many time apai many rounds of meeting to ko government de
Chief Minister N. Birena Singh the Sasi Haibu Kolaugi Sarukama Oina Singhi District Headquarters Singh the Pangchopa Cabinet Mipam Makasa Tharapu Oina Thasigi Marida Sandel the Cabinet Mipam Pangchonaba Akan Bathorang locally Kongsada Sigi Mangwana District Sigi Maru Obelambi Oriba Palel Digi Sandel Fabigi Malung Deleba Speed Breaker Singh Amadi Lambi Ganak Yeteleba Pata Hauti Singh Apunma Sandel Naga Sip Association Amadi All Sandel Contractor Association Na Loktopagi Tabak Satari Chief Minister ki Khongsat asi district asi ki miyam na halau tayam na ok na bagi damak magi khul sing na hojang sabasu haunare
Sandil naga sosen aduga ekui sik mayam ekui pulaga breaker se kuntra matroi lebne adu asi loina lokta hai na koina sosen mayam na ekui kurang to ekui ki chief minister na kada bagi sumari leina aduna adu ki ga loina na koina breaker mai sai na thulai
Handloom and Handicraft Delivery Scheme Mudra National Handloom and Handicraft Development ki matang the awareness forum ama Imphal West ki awang Ziri Community Hall ngarang pangthokre Directorate of Handloom and Textile na District Handloom Imphal West ka khusam nadana pangthokhiba thoramaduda Manipur Handloom and Handicrafts ki Chairman S Rajan Tourism Corporation of Manipur ki Chairman Dr S Ranjan District Handloom Imphal West ki Project Manager T.I. Sunila Bhamdiar Gram Panchayat ke Pradhan L Sorojini Su Sarukyaki S Rajena Aikoina Manipura Miyam Sinariba Firo Singh Aiko Isana Sajaduna Sijin Narabadi Mapandiki Labor Saliba Yamla Senpam Singh Kanmangambata Natana Aikoigi Potok Sumalem Saktak Pangamgani Haiki.
Aikoina Sajaduna Firo Singh Targadi Sagi income, Apico income to the expenses at the Tati, income lag expenses at the bar, Aduba, Imum Duri, Aduba Sarkar, I could chop up the Sarkarama, chop up the Imum about the million or Patamina. I point the river, put pants in the separate sin of another day, Inum the one of the Aradi, I could chop up the Imum Maha, Sweden, Panamana, Nasia Point, Evanes programs the library. I go to Italy, say, "Put up in the set." Go inside Sana, inside the Sama Yamama Mapanda, who took up a share of Zara, I go to the set. I go to who took up a proton and said Zara, I go to
Dr. S. Ranjana, Mamal Yamna Bakutsa Haidaba Aikogi, Ima Ibel, Isilenau Singi, Honazamana, Manipurasi, Malem the Saktak Libani, Sana Konaba, Nat Kaktanatana, Iongi, Potok Amasum Kutsa Hibigi, Potok Singna, Here Namasaktak Libani Haiki.
City, like awareness program, the Mahata, Korean Parliament, fighting for the training and Tausi Kotsi and the way. After I am the president of the city, I am the plan of the whole city. The city process is the beginning of aware. Answer the president of the market. When they really don't be asked centrally or say, cannot undo anyone. See them later they don't tell. And I see a way to the kind of the schemes and the government schemes and the officials in the chairman, and the
Kaibi Sana Pataleba Yaibilen General Homgi, Nauna Saba Mite Yumzao Ama Ngasi Sangakre, Tauram Aduda Kundrapam Kendragi, MLA Lokesor, Dolai Tabi Zilla Parisat member Ningto Kongzam Sanatumba, Yaibilen Ge President Nepram Nungkangba, Infal Hospital Ge Managing Director Salam Maipak, PWD Ge Zip Engineer Wedamba Tangzam Joykumar Susaruk Yaki, MLA Lokesor Ge Maike Ge Home Ge Angang Singda Ningtam Thagi Firo Singsu Yantoki. En Sanatumana, Nauna Sangariba Yumasina, Horokeba Angang Singda, Mite Yumzao Karino, Haba Kangan Bagal Ludena, Taxi Kasi Tambibada Asoba Mateng, Weregani Haiki. Emily Lokesorna, Yaibilian Hena, Masak Topa, Home Ama, Wahena Bagidamak Mahaki, Maike de Angamatak to Honagani Haiki.
Paipuna, Lerelaba, Mite Yumzao, Sanga Yumzao, Hana, Kangari Base, Asi Shina Maramuduna, Asi Hawala Libe, Sai Susing. Maran Halaman Laga Potavi Punamasing say Sang Punsivina Torubuda, my Paco in Visinu.
BJP Manipur Pradesh na Kutki Yapa Pausel, Manipur Miam the Pirakli, Festival Asina Lamdamasida Amatu Obigi, Nungsinabigi Marisa Silhanbagal Wenana, Tangdu Laitava State Ama, Purapo Erisano Haide. Housing Paugi Maratana Atenba Break Ama.
Swiss rolls with exotic fillings from Winkies, the cake specialist. Swiss rolls with exotic fillings from Winkies, the cake specialist.
Hakchangi labor solappadagi producing attaba hakchang choktarba tumba chaba yaraktaba khong hama nungayaktaba singidaba amatta ngaraba upaidi jolip syrup amasu Jolip capsule will chang in this interview.
Manipur Miyam ki nungairaba pau Sky Hospital Porompata Chase Medicine amusu Cardiology ki OPD kudong saba leisere ahenba kudong saba galwenna Ops and Gynae amusung ENT ki OPD kudong saba su leisere akupa marol gi damak makha da pizariba phone number natragana reception da tana biduna hana book toksan biho
Mayampuna Maputhagasari Makatava Pau Amuk Pizari. UF on a sponsor Toduna Mita Huya Lalong Sindam Sanglen, Oksu Ningtamsa Kulgi, Masa Sanglen Gikungataruk Sobama Pokumonda, Pagi Param Tiba, Pugi Puram Tiba Haibigi, Taram Ama Pangchokre, UFO gi General Secretary Y Mairaba Angomna lamdamasida leiba furup khudimak masa masagi horofam khangna thaksi khasi leina ikai khumnana leiminarabadi ing tapa khunai ama semangamgani haiki tongan tongan ba wangang loi singna singmita min nungsi sanana puksel khojel nungsi sanana leiminarabadi mapandagi sanglakpa yakhai thingai bigi ithil khudimak ngakthokpa ngamgani haiki Kangpopi district ki manung sanba Makui village tengarang Works Minister T.S. Biswazina football ground nama sangga kre Minister T.S. Biswazina sangga bagi sarukam oina stone monument ama maikum hangdoki thoramaduda Kangpopi ki district ta Mikhal Thengnakeba Kharka Thamang social activist ki ais location na athoiba Mithungyan Singh oiki tongan tongan no forup kaya gi nat ke jagoi kaya so thoram aduda utki Minister da Makui village authority gi maike digi khulla sida 33 kV power substation ama thambina ba amadi RNPR gi makha da khulla siga faunari ba IVR rosing semjin bina ba ai ba cherol piduna minister gi puning sing sin ki minister na sarkar asi zat ku su khena ba thamdana sakhapa khunai ama oinana ba kanna sangsili ai gi forup ki khanbadagi aikoi masel lingjel manadri bani haiba khangminna ba mathoktai Manipur Kundariba Puruk Kudimangna British ki Mayok Punna Lemina Kiva Kaupam Tokte Mana Makatana PMGSY scheme gi Makada Kulasigi Paikaliba Tabak Singh Tintadana Lesin Nabahonagani Kul Amaga Fauna River Lambi Singh Pagat Hanaba Paikat Piaba Tabak Singh Paikat Kani Makui Kulda 33 kV substation Amatamba Haibusi Kudong Sabakara Wat Kadabana Kulasi the housing Ladiba transformer Asi 100 kV Eda upgrade Atubada Tauragani Haiki
Tampak Chakolaga sing the Chakotama Matam the Manipur Chakole have Yaroi and sing the Chakolaga Tampak Chakotama Matam the Manipur Chakole have Yade Aduna Punna Tuna Chakot Minabat sing Amadi Plain Amatani Havigi Wakal on the Chin Hibanataba Tabak Ule Harka the Prajamiam Pilakanda Koimasin Nuncinabagi creation do Lana Bakoi Sinjanaba Oina Ekoi Lambi Makal Ngasi PMJs quite Katagi Lambi Pale Ado Major Oiba Kungang Ladiba surrounding village in Jigi Samnaba Yaba village do koi lambi do propose to biro aduga khungin thousing dai hajeramge la akan da unare har kan da port to phongdo piyo aduga koi chona maki ahen lambi do semjage haidana ai prajamiam da ai thamjaramge
Loktak project leba kuntrani to suba CRPF battalion na sinduna ngarang unity day ki tharam pangthoki tharam ge sarukam oina let us join hand to make India united haiba tharam da mahiru singela yepa sangdam na ba amasu pangthoki Battalion Asiga CO Raj Gopalna Indian Ningka Tamlaba Matunda Lepak Asiga Punsinaba Honabada Achoba Taudang Lokiba Sadar Balabai Patilgi Mapo Kumonga Mari Lenana Mahakwaikai Kumnaba Oina Tharamasi Pangchopani Namit Asi CRPF Kisu Mapok Nomine Haiki
CRPF anniversary because the actual name of the CRP was Crown Representative Police, which was raised in 1939. But after independence, people thought because it was representing Crown, it should be abolished. This force should be abolished. But due to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, we are now serving as Central Reserve Police Force.
Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch na Gan Widow Kunbu Ningol Sako Bigi Thoram Ama Branch Asigi MG Avenue Jalaiba Office Tapang Thokre. Thoram Aduda Branch Asigi Secretary Dr. Y Mohan, Vice Chairman Narendra Ningomba, Treasurer L Mangrem na Sarukiyaki. Gan Widow Singda Society gi Maikadigi Kudol Posing PK, Vice Chairman Narendra Ningomba na International Committee of Red Cross ki Miyang Makada Geneva gi Sentang Amana Manipur gi Cancer Leina ISIB Mahik Amadi Gun Victim ki Lukhabi Miyoi Nifugani Toida one time Oina Lupali Singh Nifugi Senpam Mathang Tada Governor Yabami from Amada Yantok Lagani Kangakado Riba Beneficiary Singh Society na Thamoi Singh na Kangani Lukhabi Singh na Ninghan Nabat Togdana Kunai Asida Gariguma Taudang Kala Lomina Si Amadi Pikleba Angang Singh Semgat Pada Ninghan Nabiganu Haiki
Sabani and Nasi Lengi Riba Isi Sals Nasi Harau Haruna Lapidana Nasi Red Crossna Asima Torama Sinjaba Tamsida Mapung Pan Biriba Aduga Aikuri Tamoi Lejaniba Nimor Simunum Sisaba lamdam asi miyam nungsijaba asingmu mayam singa sigi hen mapung phaba waham tokama pibiba ase masi akoina yamna nungai jaba amadi yamna penjaba phawi
Lion Club of Imphal Lemerol District 322 Dina Sindana Simarong Level City Hospital da cervical amasung breast cancer khangdonabagi awareness tharam ama pangthokre tharam aduda club asigi president Ais Fazabi project chairperson Dr. T Bilasini Dr. Azid Lukram Dr. Dipendra Amadi Dr. Firthang Muisusarup Yaki project chairperson Dr. T Bilasini na Sakola Kliba Lebak Singsa cervical amasung breast cancer gi awareness watpana Madam Origalaina Asi Mangzong on a Kanghok the Badigi Kudong Tiningai Oi. Aware Orba Lebak Singadi Lina Sigisang Hunterakli High Key.
Lebak Singadi Sadi Prevention Singse, aware Order, Kangarina, Moidi, by percentage low developing countries like Kumba, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Pokhara, Africa, Simon, awareness of cancer.
Government ki account amadi office statement subada mating onenaba employees singi oiba counseling center ama khurai trading zam laikai de leba y lal babu gi yumda hangdokre tharam adu state academy of training gi additional director W Chandra Kumar senior advocate oramba yambem lal babu amadi s mangol zaksu saruk yakhi additional director W Chandra Kumar na department singda leiba employees singna office ki thabak tharam gi training tawdaba maramna office ki file sing subada kumang sauksin mangam dabi khudong sadaba mayok nari haiki yambem lal babu na employees sing lamjing binaba leirektaba file procedure rule khanglak tabana maram oraga office ki file kaya marum loisindaba leirakpa sing asidagi khalada orabasu mating onenaba LMS counseling sing center asi hangdopani haiki
Thabak sangai mayam sina karima rule amagi thigana rakwadamado akoina product hek like toina phaktargadi khangmangam dabarina akoi di sahi ni putaresi rules na phaktar lagre eduri adugi like te yauni adugumbado akoina narol thawrei bisda kitang lamching bo ngamgadra na khandna su bo pise koin hangtoksaru
Rotary Club of Imphal Linkat Kibagi Humputaruk Suba Mapok Numi Tharam Ngarang Mantripukhi de Laiba Rotary Multi Service Center da Pangchokre Tharam adu da lamda masigi Pomi Tare Tamana Piduni Ikai Kumna Ki Makoi gi manung da IS TV gi O Ibo Choba El Azid Yauri Tharam adu da Rotary Club ki President A Alen Thaudam Secretary Dr. N Mohendro Amasung Atai Member Singh Saruk Yaki Hanega District Governor Azid Iromna Club Asina Miyobe Kunai gi damak Paikaliba Thabak Tharam Sing Ning Sing Laduna Media na sumiyam de hena yahunaba highlight tawinaba appeal tawki.
Earlier, the print media or the electronic media, we did not want to publicize, but today we would like your help. We would like to appeal to you that nooks and corners are reached by the media. We want our work not for publicity mainly, but to tell the people that yes, you can join us, you can come, we want to work with you. Any organization, local club, maybe Assam Rifle, maybe Lions Club, anybody who would like to do something for the community, we are always there to take the lead.
Hauzik Susanpur New Bazaar da Manama Singh Yonaba Kaithel Thugaiduna Nauna Saba Horokliba Sigi Foundation Taunaba Tokthokpada Kaithel Asigi Nak Yet Ladiba Yum Nakna Toktokibana Yum Kara Namtaba Horopagalwena Yum the Leba Mipaiba Poknaba Yauri Hari Nak Yet Ki Imung Singna Fondoropada Foundation Gi Lebak Tokpa Horopada Nak Yet Ladiba Yum Sing Sukara Kanbiduna Sembinaba Mangzongana Kangan Kibalere Lebak Tokpa Sina Yum Kayamarum Mai Satpagalwena Dukan Kayasu Pamayadaba Pium the Lere Marilena Sing Hiramasigi Matang the Miyang Sangbiu Haidi
Sida Khalitang Horaga, Zuma Makai Hale, Adu Matanga ready, Sizum Mazang, say, Gizum Sokaigani, Matang Karakani, Lambi the Mahoi Foundation, Dora Pasida, Ihoina, Zoom Sola Paneva. Naxina,
Jumjing Jelochi Tarapaneva.
Karaksida Karino Gari Satpa Bike House Satpaza the Vani. Ikoi da sang mazadre ikoi gari makai sodum lekre aduna selambi gi side da masi pan thara di ekoi gi zum si karoi do bani aduna lambi gi tangkhai hen na naksin lega ekoi zum dai num saulak pani haba so engineer sing na di kari pau su khangde khoi su adu phau kai ra su kana na kari to bra hai na su jeng bi dre ba aduna department gi mina jeng lega masi se masagi zum oi na khan lega ekoi gi dum su khar khan bi bata bani aduna ekoi gi zum se zam tin na sarega hojik makoi na thabak suba kanda bazar gi damak di phai oresu bazar oresu han gi mo da dum saro de ekoi da sok pal heroeba
Sagolban Haino Bok Patanjali Yoga Center Sindana Numit Chamani gi Satharaki ba yoga training asi Ima Ibema Yumzau Lairembi Laipung Haino Bokta Lusin Kre Tharam adu da Paswai Jila Parisat member Laurembam Langlen Laima Patanjali Yoga Samiti gi State President Dr. N. Rajendro Bharat Swabhiman Trust Manipur gi President K.S.I.S. Gopendro Oriental College ki Principal and Ibo Bisu Sarup Yaki Busingda Certificate Sinkhusin Naki Oripo Pansai Maning de Leba Cosmo and Multi Speciality Dental Clinic Nanomagi over free dental checkup Pangchokre Argentina the Handa Pangchokiba World Youth Archery Championship Mixed Team da Gold Medal Amasung Nopagi Team da Silver Medal Laura Kraba Ningtozam Jamson Mangang Ngosi Miyam na Infal Airport Taram na Okre Jamson Infal Ilski Naharu Pangong Makongdagi Ningtozam Basanta Amasung Ningtozam Ombi Radhamanigi Masanupani Taekwondo Sanaroi Oi Nahoro Kiba Jamson Listing Ani Mapandagi Olympian L Bomilagi Mama L Zaminigi Makad Archery Sanaba Horoki Lesingani Mapanda Army Sports Institute Lainaba Kangalaki Lesing Tarag of the Pangtokiba Sub Junior National Archery Championship the gold medal Ama silver medal Ani Lauki Lesing Nitraki National Senior Championship the silver medal Ama Lauki Lesing Ani Taragamanga the South Korea the Pangtokiba International Archery Championship the Sarup Yaki Hazi Loshalapada Marueba Pau Amukahanau Good Festival Naki Sanabi Lainga Swangalwina na Harau Tiana Pangchokle Amasung Kumpumapan Suba Information and Public Lesson Day Tharam Pangchokre How's your father get the ISTB Pizza Palmatang Asida Loizere Nimidamada Pumanga Tabamatamatoanga the Pau Singing Amukana ISTB Manipur Live News Pungigani Mayapunum Pamkana Kurimzari